All right, got a new car here. This is a 1993 300E. Pretty good shape. It's a 2.8 liter inline six. Just picked this up for $1,000. And runs and drives good. Ran into one problem on the way home. Just have to fix this radiator overflow. This cable was okay on the way home, but the hose that goes here broke right off of there, and so there was just a little piece that's stuck in the hose. I had to pull that out. But yeah, and then this windshield washer reservoir is all busted too. So, but I got some new parts here. So got these from Mercedes of Scottsdale. They got a really good online site, and yeah, I'll be trying to fix this thing up and see if I can get it running perfect. So yeah, it was driving really good. The brakes work great. The steering box is not leaking or anything like that. The lights work. Windows work. Yeah, it's got the mono wiper. It's W124. Yep, so it's going to be going through and addressing all these items. Change the air filter there. Battery's good. Yeah, everything's good in this car. Can't believe I got it for $1,000. So I'm going to take some really good care of this.